All right, we're going to show you how to replace the lining for the rectum on Bovine Breeder. So in this case, you're going to want to unhook the top piece of the rectum here. It has a button here that we'll be using in just a moment here, but all you want to do is let this hang down. Again, before you do this, there is the poop bags. You want to make sure those are removed when you're going to be replacing this liner here, so I'm going to remove those. The next thing you want to do is back here on the inside of the Bovine Breeder, there are three little hooks that you just have to turn to a side. Think of a picture frame. It's the same kind of thing where you just move them aside. When you do that, the rectal tract then is removed. What you're going to do then is take the snap at the very end and it just pops open. You just pull that out, allowing the bag that you have here, the plastic bag, to come out. This is in case there's a rip or something, you can then remove it. Now, what you want to do is get a new bag, and with this new bag then is put your hand inside of that bag, all the way in, spread your hand out here, put it in, and then you should have one finger on one side of the button here and one finger on the other side. You're going to move those two fingers up as far as you can inside here, and then once those there, you just snap this piece back together. It's snapped in there, in place there. That then is going to hold that bag inside there. So that's snapped in there. I can pull my hand out. Now, the other end here then I am all going to just stretch that bag out, stretch it around the end here. Once it's stretched out around the end, I can then take that bag and put it right back in place here, and then with those hooks, put the hooks right back over it. Like I said, just kind of like a picture frame, you put the hooks and put them in place. And then with this, you hook it back up, and you've just replaced your liner in case there's a hole or tear in there.